Can anyone read backwards? If you can, read it. Read what the box says. Uh, I know. I've showed you this before. It's movie villain medley. This is pretty fast. No, it's not, but yeah. It's sort of fast. um. Sorry. TV. I love this. I love this song, and yeah.
I started as a nobody and grew up as a freak. My dad drinking, my mom smoking.
I don't know it.
I bought physique. But now I'm running Gotham cause that's hilarious. I shoot up all the good guys asking, why so serious? Carry my, no they can't read my Joker face. Cause I'm a psychopathic killer. Carry my, no they can't read my Joker face. I even killed the fattest driver. One Kenobi. I'm wearing that face pants. I'm wearing face pants. My name is Vader. I don't know I'm your world. I'm your dad, and I wear black space pants. I am the Dark Lord, and I'll never be loved. I'm your dad, and I wear black space pants. Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm wearing space pants. Yeah. Would you hunters here? Yeah, I'm smelling the fear. Some may call me cool, but I got beat up in high school, so I take it out on every single Jew throughout Germany and France. Now I'm a real bad man to dead unless you somehow stop me, cause I'm a Nazi. Now I'm a mastermind. I won't stop until those Jews are mine. I'm Tarantino's man, I killed a willing and can't stop me, cause I'm a Nazi, yo, I got a purpose you guys.
I'm purposely not singing this part. But I'm purposely not singing.
I'm burning bullets and I'm sticking it to the man. I'm flipping cars and looking cause I got implants. It's gonna be okay. Baby, I'm got implants. Don't eat my
For that reason.
I got implants. I'll blow you away. Baby, I'm got implants. Got implants. This is the movie villain medley. Subscribe.
Okay. What was that? What was that? I'll be back. In the meantime, enjoy the monkey, I guess. Cody, I'm serious. Is there somebody out there with you? No. No, you're not touching my popcorn. That scared me because I could have sworn I heard like this huge bang in my backyard. My dog seems to be okay, but I'm scared. The movie villain medley thing should be, the link should be in the description. Sorry if I'm not paying attention. I'm watching Robot Chicken and throwing popcorn at my dog. Ah! Oh, no. Yeah. I watch a lot of stuff I probably shouldn't be. Oh my gosh. This popcorn tastes like nut. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Thanks. Oh, it's a cute little panda bear that's gonna beat this guy down to the bamboo and then bite his head off. Stop being such a wuss. You just can't trust the Chinese. Panda bear bites this guy's head off. Makes sense. Not being racist. That was funny. Drive! Oh! Face plant to the mailbox! Boosh! That was funny. Okay, bye guys. Peace.